As we delve into the fascinating world of technology, it's important to take a closer look at the intricate details of the Pixel 9 Pro's design. Google's Pixel lineup is almost certainly set to expand later this year by introducing new Pixel 9 and Pixel 9 Pro smartphones. At least judging by the early renders, the Pixel 9 Pro looks heavily inspired by the iPhone 15 Pro, and I don't hate that. We see a flat frame, which curves on the very edge, exactly like on the iPhone 15 Pro, as well as thin, symmetrical display borders all around. The publication has shared 4 CAD renders, as well as a 360-degree video of the Google Pixel 9 Pro. Now, we have managed to get our hands on the case images of the Pixel 9 Pro. The case images come from an industry source who has claimed that this is the final design of the Pixel 9 Pro. The rendered image again confirms the horizontal pill-shaped cane module that was featured in a leak yesterday. The leaked images also indicate that the Pixel 9 will feature a smaller 6.1-inch flat panel OLED display with trimmer bezels, though retaining the same punch-hole camera as seen in current models. The camera unit is also rumored to include a periscope telephoto lens, showing a big improvement in optical features, possibly allowing for variable aperture. Sure, it might add a bit of bulk to the phone, but if it enhances the photography experience, it could be a game changer. And let's not forget about performance. With the Tensor G4 chip under the hood, built on Samsung's latest Exynos 2400 platform, the Tensor G4's focus on AI integration might offer unique advantages in areas like photography and image recognition. However, Google Assistant with Bard for Android and iOS was recently announced, but a new AI assistant called Pixie is reportedly under development. As the name suggests, this assistant will be exclusive to Pixel devices. Plus, with Android 14 on board, you can expect smarter voice controls and better overall user experience. Meanwhile, the Pixel 10 series is rumored to house the Tensor G5 chip, purportedly manufactured by TSMC based on Google's in-house designs. The benchmark data also reveals that the chipset has 8 cores, 1 core at 3.10 GHz, 3 cores at 2.60 GHz, and 4 cores at 1.95 GHz. The device also has a Mali G, 715 GPU, and 8 GB of RAM. But what about the release date and pricing? Well, if past trends are anything to go by, we can expect to see the Pixel 9 Pro hit the shelves sometime in October. With prices likely to be on par with other flagship smartphones, we can expect a starting price of $700. So, what's the verdict? While the Pixel 9 Pro's design may raise a few eyebrows, it's clear that Google is pushing the boundaries of smartphone innovation. With its sleek design, standout camera bar, and powerful performance, the Pixel 9 Pro is shaping up to be a contender in the competitive smartphone market. And that's all for today. Thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time.